Hey Caitlin, I am in here in your paper and I'm just going to do a quick run through with you. I still want you to check in with the Writing Center and make sure you know what you're doing, but I'm going to show you just a couple of things, how I grade when I'm looking at APA. So since this class does not necessarily teach APA, I try to kind of give you some pointers. And so what I do is I kind of go through and I count errors. And once I get to 3, I call it. So I just say, all right, I see 1, 2, 3 different things. You need to go back and work on that. And I'm happy to give you a couple of specifics here. All right, so this could be Blackboard. This area right here, this where, you know, your header should be here and then your page number should be over here. I never would count that because Blackboard does that sometimes to people's papers and it's obnoxious. So that's just, it's wrong, but it may not have been your fault. So just make sure that's right when you do turn it in. All right, this should not be underlined. You can go and see how they're setting up the cover page. Do it exactly like that and then use it for every class. Okay, again, you're not underlining. Okay, so now, okay, basically, let's see. All right, so right here, again, we're not underlining, but that is your main title. So then your next subheader is going to be centered as well. Then on the third level or the second level, so if this is the title, this would be the first level in the middle header, and then your second level header goes to the left. Again, that is all on the Writing Center, and they have a really nice template that will explain that for you. Okay, right here, I can see real quick that you need a date behind Hubbard for your APA. Let's see, I'm just looking. This is just a grammar thing. Depending on how the quote is set up, that may or may not be capitalized, but that would raise the red flag. Let's see, keeping going. So all of these headers are off. Let's see. I'm just kind of scrolling, looking for different things. Hang with me here. Most of this looks pretty good in terms of APA, except for, okay, what is 2016 referring to? So that would need to be fixed in APA. So you would either have Tom's, 2016, or you could put the 2016 behind Tom's, depending on what that actual reference is. Make sure to introduce your quotes. Let's see, now I'm going to look at this. Okay, so there are several errors here. So when you do the titles, remember that the only title, the only capital is the very first one unless there's a colon. So same thing here. Definitely go back and look at that again. This is incorrect in terms of what's italicized and what's not. So just go and look these things up here and make sure you get these straight. Most of these are incorrect. Because you're using the capitals throughout like a normal title, and that's just not. So for example, for this one, social is capitalized, entrepreneurship would not be. All right, so that's just a quick run through to let you know where to start looking and how. Make sure your spacing's correct and just use the formatting that they have online. It's a really great template. All right, hope you have a great day.